Alright, so this place also has a huge claw machine game center. It's, you know, I wasn't really expecting too much, but look at how big this place is. It's huge. It's so deep. They got everything here. Oh, I think they got it. Oh, so close. They just gave it to them. I think you can do that if you can ask. If it doesn't work, then they can just ask for it. Got a lot of games back here. They got a lot of games back here. Crazy. What? What's this game? Whoa. You gotta pick it up. I've never seen this brand before. It's something Plaza, but it's huge. Wow. Alright, they got some kids games, and then in the back they have more arcade games, and then in the corner they have like the girl they have the you know, like really popular with the girls by like taking pictures and making their faces look all cute. And then they got like pachinko style games and this basketball hoop in the back. Got some more games here as well. Oh no, someone dropped this. Alright, so they have this huge jigsaw puzzle place. I know there's some subscribers that like jigsaw puzzles, so here it is. This is just strictly only jigsaw puzzles. I've never seen a store that just has puzzles. They have so many. It's crazy. Probably not that expensive. How much are these? They're probably like regular pricing. For 1,000. This thing is heavy. This is no price. $25. I don't think it's that bad. 25 bucks for 1,000 pieces. Wow, those look really cool. It's like looks like Okinawa over there. Yeah, I've never seen just a standalone jigsaw puzzle store. Whoa, this one is like clear. You can put like lights in the back. They got frames as well. Whoa, this one's like 3D. Oh, I think they just put some stuff on the top actually. You got all types of frames here. Got Pikachu up there. You got all your Disney jigsaw puzzles here. You got everything here. It's pretty extensive. They got Ghibli, they got anime, they got Disney, they got landscape of Japan. They have some trippy 3D design stuff. They got Pikachu over there. Wow, this place has a second food court. This is called the casual court, which has maybe it's the cheaper stuff: Baskin-Robbins, Pepper Lunch, KFC, Mr. Donut, and they have a McDonald's. So this could probably be like the cheaper option. I'm not sure, like the fast food option maybe. But I've never seen one with two food courts. They got this Baskin-Robbins as well. And then they also have all this gacha over here. A lot of it. I guess every AEON mall has gacha. A lot of dinosaur spiders and stuff. Insects. Some more on this side. Anything interesting?
I want to see the gacha store.
Oh, there's another there's a separate gacha store. Wow, there's so many gachas here. Tokyo Olympics. I need to get home and watch the Olympics. Wow. This place is so much gacha. So many gachas. ice shavings. Oh, peanuts, those are nice. Got Beauty and the Beast over there. It looks like it.
Yeah, I like this. It looks so cute.
That's cool. I like how it has lights.
Let's just get one.
Alright. Maybe we'll get one. Let me check. I got 150. Got some anime stuff over here. Look at this. What is this? A naked man exercising. Get a gym equipment and be like this.
2, 3. Can you do that?
Turn it.
I don't want to touch that.
I got no hands.
Oh, is that yellow one?
Oh, my phone died.
Ah, the yellow one. Cool.
Does it light up?
I need the.
I think I. Oh.
Colorful?
I mean, it's just. Oh, you can change the speed of the light.
But I don't like green lights.
Yeah.
With the yellow things.
It's interesting. Oh, they have like there's 3 aisles. Gotcha. How do you even choose? There's just so many. This is insane. They got some Sanrio. That's cute. Oh, you like the lighted ones? Do you know this character?
No.
I like this one. The Sanrio. Oh, I want a Kiropi? I forgot his name. You even have Hello Kitty. I used to have a pager with Baddest Maru. I don't know if you guys know what a pager is. It's before they used to have cell phones. It looks cuter when it's not lit up. Oh, it's like glass. I thought it was plastic. That's cool.
But I don't like the lights.
I think it's cool.
Oh, they have light on the back.
Oh, that's cool too.
Oh.
Alright, this is the first floor. They got more food down here. Well, it is part of the AEON grocery store, so. Wow, there's a lot more stuff here, actually. Oh my gosh, it's just overwhelming.
I think that's a movie store.
Wow. There's Caldi. Milk tea. Here's a cacao dessert place. Oh my goodness. Should we just eat here? I don't know. Got some chicken here, some skewers. Wow, this place is food galore. They got food everywhere. They got food on every floor. Everything from snacks to upscale buffets. Got this little cake shop right here. And then you got the full AEON grocery store here. They probably have a lot of stuff there too. Whoa, look at these cakes. Cheesecake. The cream puffs here. This place is called Hotel Chocolate, the cacao place. Oh my gosh, look at all this fried food. Fried chicken. Mostly fried chicken, I think. Whoa, look at all these packaged food. Sandwiches, look at this. It's probably soggy. You get a whole plat. 80 bucks for all this. Expensive. Probably high quality meat, but they got a whole meat store here. They got some milk milk, ice cream, sushi. Wow, look at this. Let's get this whole platter for 20 bucks. And here's Caldi. And then another Starbucks. This place has 2 Starbucks. Wow. We can. Even this Caldi is really big. Fruity beer has been really popular in Japan, but look at this. Mango beer. This looks really good. I would drink this. Did they say the percentage of 4% alcohol? That's cool. Alright, we're on the first floor. They got this Kobe chocolate store that looks pretty good. Anything Kobe related is probably really good, like Kobe ice cream, Kobe milk, Kobe chocolate. They probably use really good quality stuff here. The first floor looks so different from the top floor. What? This Minion? Bookstore?
They have a little car?
I don't know how to say that.
Yeah.
Alright, looks like they have like some sort of pop-up store here. Wow, it looks so much bigger from down here. Look at this information center. They're busy. You can get, I think you can get some type of I don't know, some sort of like gift card if you're with certain malls like AEON Mall. Sports Authority? I used to work at a Sports Authority. That's crazy how they have Sports Authority here. I've never seen a Sports Authority actually. I used to work at Sports Authority when I was a little kid, when I was like not a little kid, but when I was in high school, and it was a lot of fun. It's crazy. So my girlfriend was saying that she wanted to look for a bookstore, and she was kind of sad that there wasn't one, but look at this bookstore. It's like its own store. Look at how big it is. It's huge. Oh my gosh. We're gonna go in. Alright, I had to change the battery because it was just being used too much, I guess. But look at this bookstore. Oh my gosh. It's huge. Yeah, I don't know. I used the whole battery while I was in here. Maybe I was filming too much. But look at this. It's crazy how like bookstores are like thriving in Japan. A lot of people read books in Japan, and it's crazy because I feel like a lot of bookstores in America are closing down because, you know, everything is internet now. Well, I think all the bookstores are closing, but there's so many bookstores in Japan and they're huge like this. And maybe because people like reading anime, but also too, people like DVDs and CDs. Look at this DVD CD section. Who has a DVD player or a CD player? Like literally everything is live streaming online or YouTube, but it's crazy. The store is huge. I think there's a kids section. I think they have like puzzles back there. This bookstore even has its own cafe. This must be a really popular section. This is like anime mangas. So yeah, they do have their own cafe here. Maybe for like studying. But it's crazy. I've seen one of these bookstores before. See, they got a huge cafe. It's pretty nice. They can study. They can have some coffee. Have some cake. It looks like a not bad cafe either. Look at all this delicious cake. $7, I think. $7 or $4. Look at just how long these aisles are. Oh my gosh. You guys probably want to see some of these mangas maybe. I don't know if you guys are into that. Maybe you might be. There's some mangas. I don't know which ones are popular. I don't really know mangas too much. I don't know anime that much. My girlfriend does. I don't even know which ones to show you guys because they all look the same to me. Whoa, this one looks a little erotic. Maybe I'm in the wrong section. Maybe I'm in the wrong section. Maybe get out of here. Alright, more local stores down here. It just looks nicer from down here. I don't know why. I think it's just the lights, because the lights are in the ceiling. Oh, that looks really good. Maybe on the way back.
But they have the momo drink, the peach drink.
Oh wow. There's another mall. It's the biggest mall in west of Japan. I used to work near there, and I'm always thinking about going there, but there's nothing else around there, so I might do it one day. I'm not sure, but I would like to show you guys. And I haven't been there in a long time. That mall is huge. It's the biggest one in West Japan. Yeah, I don't think there's that much here down here. They got us. I can't believe they have a sports authority. Have I been to this? I feel like I've been to this mall before.
You want to go check there?
Nah, not really, but we're gonna walk all the way to the end just to make sure we got everything. Look at this phone shop. They got so many phone cases. Ah, okay, so I thought we went to this mall before, but no, because we went to another AEON mall that was the same size, and they also had a sports authority. So I have seen a sports authority before, but this one had the same layout. It was another AEON mall, and that was a long time ago. I went to a car show, and they had this AEON mall in the middle of nowhere, and they also had a sports authority. But look at this. I don't even know if they still have them in America. If you live in America and you've seen a sports authority recently, please leave a comment, because I think they're probably all closed down. 30% off. They're playing U2. It's crazy. I feel like I'm in America. I want to say they have good deals here, but they probably don't. There's some basketball stuff. I wish I could get a basketball hoop. Oh, they got Chicago. Repping the Chicago. Illinois, Chicago. I should get this shirt. This is a men's shirt or women's shirt? They got a huge sale going on, and they got Enya playing in the background. I don't know if you guys know Enya. I'm gonna buy this Chicago shirt just because I'm from Chicago. It's 30% off, so it's about like 20 bucks, maybe 25 bucks. Yeah, look at this line. This line's pretty crazy. I think it's because of this big sale. But my girlfriend said she wanted to buy this shirt. It's about $60, but with the 30% it's like 45 bucks. Oh, I'm not in the line. Whoa, look at this.
Ooh.
Romantic.
My way is right.
Whoa, what is this? Got AstroTurf out here. It's nice because the I think that's the JR. That's the train. Wow, look at all these people sitting out here with coffee, Starbucks. Anyways, I just wanted to add that Sports Authority was playing a lot of 90s music. I don't know if you can see me, but yeah, they were playing a lot of 90s music, so it's a lot of nostalgia just being in that that shop. But it's funny because I'm like walking down this little thing and there's people on this AstroTurf just looking at me, talking to my camera. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope you could see me. And yeah, I had a lot of fun today. I had a lot of fun just walking through this mall. We were here for like 2 hours, maybe longer. But yeah, again, please subscribe if you haven't. It's been a really slow couple of months for me. Please help me out if you're a good person. If you're a good person, please subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, and if you want to talk to me or anything like that, there's Discord, Patreon, Instagram, all of that. But yeah, look out for future videos, and thank you for watching if you watched all the way through, and see you later. See you next time. Bye bye.